I don't know why I became so lax. 2 of my batteries on my Sony Action died. I was anticipating 2 videos, now it's 3rd. I don't know how I'm going to work it out, but I will work it out somehow. This is video number 3 of the Food Truck Fest. Oh, I saw the name. It is Food Truck Fest. That is my friend Juan, and that is my friend Maliki. They're with Uncle Bob's Fried Chicken. Thank you so much. And this is, hello. Can I put her on YouTube?
Yeah, man.
What's her name?
My name is Madan.
No? I want to know her name. She's prettier than you.
Shashmitra. Madri Shashmitra.
Hello. Yo, you speak English. You're on YouTube.
We can speak.
When you get to be a big girl, you're going to see this video and you're going to say, Mahalo JC. You're on YouTube. Say hello to everybody. What's your name? Lakshmi.
Shashmitra.
Shashmitra. How old are you?
3 years.
You're 3. You're beautiful.
Yeah,
Shake my hand. Very nice. Is that your father?
Yeah.
Thank you. Say Mahalo YouTube.
Hello, hi.
Very nice. Wow, very nice. A Mahalo from a 3-year-old in Kuala Lumpur. Now I can talk to the father. This is the father. Hi.
Hi.
I was more interested in putting the pretty people first.
Yeah, but
Sorry. What's your name?
my name is Madan. Madan.
Mother.
Madan.
Marvin.
Yeah.
Where are you from, Marvin?
I'm from Angtua.
Ang Tua.
Yeah.
Tua. And that's your beautiful wife?
Yeah. My
What's your beautiful
wife?
wife's name?
Sakuntala.
Sagunta. Wow. Lucky man.
Thank you.
Very nice. Are you taking care of her?
Yeah.
You better, yeah? Now look in the camera. Tell your mother you love her.
My mother.
Of course, not
Yes,
my mother.
I love very much my mother.
Don't tell me. Tell your mother.
I love very much my mother.
What language do you speak?
I can speak little bit English, Malay. I can speak Tamil also. I can speak.
Your mother speaks what language?
Malay and English.
Your
Malay,
mother-
English, Tamil.
Speak to your mother in her language.
My language.
Your mother's language.
My mother language. எல்லாத்துக்கும் வணக்கம். எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நாங்கள் முதல் கையிலுக்கு வந்திருக்கோம் சுற்றி பார்க்க. ஸோ எங்களுக்கு சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இது என் ஒய்ஃபு, இது என் பிள்ளை. ஸோ நாங்கள் சும்மா ஒரு பார்த்துருக்கோம். பீஸ் கண்ணுமா பீஸ்.
Wow. Thank you so much. Say Mahalo YouTube. What's your name, beautiful lady?
Saguntala.
Shaguntala. Wow. Very nice dimple. This is your beautiful husband.
Okay.
Lucky man. And tell your mother
My mother's name.
and tell her you love her.
I love it so much, my mother.
Come on, Tamil.
நான் ரொம்ப ஆசை எங்க அம்மா மேல. I love her. I love her.
Your mother.
Yeah, I love
You're
her
getting
so
emotional. So nice. Very nice. Very nice. That is so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. You're beautiful. Bye-bye. Thank you. Mahalo. Very nice. She's going to be famous, yeah? And thank you so much. Mahalo YouTube. Bye-bye. You didn't think you were going to come here and be on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
It's your lucky day. Thank you, Marvin. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Take care of your children, huh? If he doesn't take care of you,
Okay.
you call me.
Okay. No
Then I'll get YouTube, the whole world to shame him. Okay? You're in trouble now.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And the next food truck is called, Kalish Tea Shake. And they sell Ice Madu Original, Tea Ice Madu Chinchao, Tea Ice Madu Float, I don't know what the hell that is, Tea Ice Madu Shake. And they range from they're all 6 ringgit. They're all 6 ringgit. There's a beautiful boy here. Hey. Hey. Hi. Okay. I don't know who he is. But that is the lady just now that I spoke to, and that's your beautiful husband. I spoke to your wife just now. Very lucky. Selamat Hari Raya. Hello. Thank you. Hello everybody. You're not on Facebook, but you're on YouTube. Who are you? Sorry?
Aulia.
Aulia.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Aulia from Indonesia.
From Indonesia?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Now look in the camera and tell all your friends hello. What's your name?
Linda.
Linda. And this is your husband?
Yes. No.
My father.
So-
This is my.
Oh, I am so sorry. You look so young.
This is my wife.
My husband.
That's your beautiful wife?
Yeah.
Very lucky. Is he good to you? Is he good to you?
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
the whole world is seeing you.
Yeah.
So you better be nice to your beautiful wife. Because if you're not,
Yeah.
everybody is going to make you malu, ya?
Yeah.
Janji? Selamat Hari Raya.
Sama-sama. Sukses for you.
Tell your wife, no, tell your wife you love her very much.
I love you, her.
What's her name?
I love you, Elisa.
Very nice. Tell your mother that you love her very much.
I love you, Mom.
Very nice. Your turn.
I love you, Mom.
Very nice. Your children are very beautiful.
I love you, my husband and my children.
Where's your mother?
Huh?
Your mother.
My mother. I love you, Mom. I love you, my mother.
Malay, Indian, speak Indonesia.
Oh,
Dari mana?
dari Medan,
Medan.
Indonesia.
Tell Medan.
Medan.
Cakap apa pun.
Oh. Apa pendapatnya tentang
Boleh.
Medan gitu maksudnya? Apa pendapatnya tentang Medan?
Tell her to say anything she wants to anybody in Medan.
Halo Medan. Halo Medan, how are you?
Medan is city with a very delicious food.
Really?
Yeah.
So if I come to Medan,
Yeah.
you guys will take me out?
Okay.
Janji?
Inshallah.
Hey, I got you on video. I chari you. Thank you so much. Say mahalo YouTube. Very nice. Bye-bye. Thank you. Now let me go catch out the garai, okay? Thank you. This is Kalish. I was just catching your people there.
Okay.
And where are you from, Kalish? What's your name?
Zul.
Zul. Where's your kawan?
Kawan.
Cabut.
Cabut.
Chabut. What do you sell?
Sini paling special teh ais madu, teh ais cincau. Paling special original.
Original.
Yeah.
And this is Chin Chow. This is
Chow.
float. They're all
Same.
6 ringgit. Hello,
Yeah.
everybody. Hello. Hello, sexy. This is number 2. He works here, but he chabut on my ass. What's your name? Zulkifli. There's some customers here. I'm filming. Can I put you on YouTube? Okay, hi. How are you?
Hi.
What's your name? Siti. And is that your husband?
Yes.
Running away? Chabut. Where are you from?
Johor.
Johor. Look in the camera.
Yeah.
Tell your mother that you love her very much. And Selamat Hari Raya.
Mom, I love you so much. I love you. Selamat Hari Raya, maaf saya batin.
Say mahalo YouTube. Mahalo YouTube.
Mahalo YouTube.
Thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy. What are you buying?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Shake.
You like it? Have you tried it?
Once.
Once. Very nice. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm going to go catch out then, alright? Zul. Okay. I'm coming in, okay? Okay. I'm Masud. Okay? I'm getting into... What is this?
Chocolate shake Oreo.
Oreo.
Yes.
So, what is your 2 famous ones?
Teh ais madu.
Ice Madu and... Ini apa?
Teh ais
Ini?
coklat.
Okay. Your 2 paling famous apa?
Teh ais madu and chocolate shake Oreo.
Teh Ice Madu Cincau?
Original.
Original.
Yes.
Cincau?
Cincau dia kurang sikit minat tapi original ramai yang nak.
I don't know what you said, but okay. Can I try 1 original and 1 chocolate?
Yes.
Very little ice. Can I see you make it?
Okay.
Okay. What is this one?
Okay. Cup.
Number 1. What are you making?
Teh ais madu.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
This is an empty cup.
Yes.
This is quite big. I don't know. This is probably 800.
medium.
Medium. Okay, how much?
6 ringgit.
6 ringgit. Show me.
Okay.
Very little.
Okay.
Oh, but
Okay.
no, half.
Half.
Okay. And this is the liquid.
Yes.
Already prepared. Already prepared. Okay. Show me. Oh, you just put the whole thing in.
Yes.
Into saja.
Yeah.
This is the ice madu.
Yes.
And this is
Okay. Susu.
that's milk, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of milk is it?
Yeah.
Condensed milk. Tin. Tin.
Tin. This one.
They put full cream milk on
Yeah.
the top. Show me. They put quite a bit of it in the tin. And this is the ice madu.
Yes.
How much is it?
6 ringgit.
6 ringgit. Okay. This is the ice madu. This is, they have full cream milk on the top, and this is 6 ringgit. Number 2,
Chocolate.
same, very little ice.
Okay.
Okay. This is prepared chocolate.
Yes.
You pre-made chocolate syrup.
Yes.
Okay. You fill the cup with this, and this is also 6 ringgit.
Yes. Same.
10.
Same.
Same. And then you put the same cream on it.
And Oreo.
Oreo.
Yes.
Cookies.
Yes. Cookie.
Oh, okay. No milk.
Yes. Milk.
And milk.
Yes.
And this is 6 ringgit.
Yeah.
That's full milk cream. $6, which is not even but $1.75 US. You will not get this in the US, in the States, for $1.75. And it's cheap, a lot of it, maybe because it's just nervous, I don't know, but it's pouring. And this is chocolate. This is chocolate. Now, where's your family?
Family spelling go back.
Where's your mother?
Mother home.
Wife?
Home.
Your children?
Go back home.
How many children?
2.
First, tell your mother, I love you. Selamat Hari Raya.
Saya mak, selamat Hari Raya. Maaf lahir batin. Saya sayangkan mak.
Now tell your wife, what's her name?
Fahana.
Tell her.
Fahana. Saya sayangkan awak. Dan selamat Hari Raya, maaf lahir batin.
And what's your children's name? What's your children's name?
Kalis.
Khalid. One,
Nombor tu Nurul.
Nurul. Boy and a girl.
Boy and girl.
Very nice. You love them?
Yes, love.
Very nice. Now invite everybody in Malaysia to come here and try your drink.
Jemputlah datang ke food truck saya dan sambutlah jamu saya dengan air.
Very nice. Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Thank you, my friend. I'm going to try that.
Okay.
Yeah? Thank you so much. Mahalo, YouTube. Thank you. I'm going to now walk out with the food truck. Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat.
Selamat.
Bag ada. Bag. This is my friend Zul also, but he's very shy, very shy, and I'm going to embarrass him right now a little bit. And these are the things I'm going to try, and then I'm going to put it. I'm going to come down to the comment section, and I'm so overwhelmed, but if I come to the comment section and I will try both of these. This is chocolate and this is teh madu. Zul, say mahalo. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is, and I have to move on to the next food truck, and I'm losing my people here. Hello. This is my friend. This is my friend. Hello. Hi. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Amran. I'm from Dapur Namnam.
You're from where?
I'm from Dapur Namnam.
And are you married?
Yes, of course I'm married.
Oh, of course you are. Good looking boy like you. How old are you?
I'm 31.
31. What's your wife's name?
My wife's name is Nadia.
Tell her whatever you want.
I love you, baby.
Wow. Your children?
Yeah. I have one daughter, Mariam, and that's all. I have one daughter only.
Where's your mother? Tell your daughter you love her.
Sorry?
Tell your daughter, Daddy loves you.
I love you, baby.
Wow. And where's your mother?
Hi, Mom. My mom name is Rosma, and I love her so. Love you, Mom.
This is your food truck.
Yes.
Tell me what's special.
Okay.
This is called Dapur Nom Nom. I don't know what Nom Nom means, but they sell fried chicken cube with cream butter. Looks like pesto or something. And meatballs, hot dog, and mild kimchi. What is your special food here?
Our specialties is creamy butter chicken pasta bowl.
Creamy butter chicken, which one? Oh, this one.
This one.
And what is it?
It was
Curry leaves, a little bit of chili pad,
curry leaf,
stuffing.
chili padi.
How long does it take to make you one?
It's 3 minutes or 2 minutes something.
Can you make one with very little chili?
Yes, sure.
Can you make one? Let me try one.
Okay, let's go. I'll show you how to cook.
Come. Tell your boy I'm coming in, okay? Take me in, take me in. Hello.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Nepal.
Nepal. Tell your mother I love you.
I love you.
What's your name?
MD Masum.
Who?
Masum. Muhammad Masum.
Muhammad Masum. Whoa. Okay. Can I go in? Oh, there's a trick thing going on here.
Somebody does it.
I can't get in. I'm struggling to go up. And this is his...
Pasta.
What is this?
This is pasta.
Pasta?
With butter chicken.
This is butter chicken pasta.
Can I?
This is pesto.
Yeah. I'll show you how to cook it.
Okay. You change it, right?
I change it.
Okay.
Here. Hold on.
I'm in the back kitchen. It's a very small quarters. I'll show you. You see, there's a very small quarter, but I want to see how he makes it. So I'm here. So he's going to start fresh. This looks like pesto. Is this pesto?
Yeah.
My God, I've not eaten pasta for so long. I have no idea what this is. So he's going to start and cook me. Wow, terrible English. I've been here for too long. 15, 16 months and your English just becomes Asian. He's going to cook for me. And sorry, Chef Gordon Ramsay, this kitchen looks, you would have fired all these people a long time ago. What is that?
It's butter.
Butter or margarine?
Butter.
Butter. Butter.
Yes, correct.
And what is this?
This is evaporate creamer.
Let me see the brand.
Gold
So
point.
if you're part of Gold Point evaporated cream, this man is giving you free advertising. So call him and give him some free cans. How much do you put?
Depends on how many you put.
Really? Creamer plus butter, boiling for how long?
Really, that's boiling. No chili, right?
Very little or no chili at all.
So curry leaf.
This is curry. What does curry leaf do? This is curry leaf right there.
Yeah.
What does it do?
This.
He is filming me, filming him. Isn't that crazy? Mahalo. And
Chili.
this is chili padi.
Yeah.
What is it in English?
It's chili.
I know it's chili, but what's chili padi?
Chili.
I guess it's very spicy, baby chili. This is how they look like, and they're bloody hot.
And then chicken powder.
Chicken powder?
Yes.
What the hell is chicken powder?
It's like seasoning.
Chicken seasoning.
Yes, chicken seasoning. And then
This is chicken seasoning. See? Serbu ayam.
serbu ayam, yes. And then black pepper powder.
Black pepper.
Powder.
I think the word was lada here comes. Black pepper powder.
Wait until it boils.
You wait until it boils. How long does it take?
Not long.
And this is just,
Spiro.
what is this pasta called?
Spiro.
Spiro.
Spiro. Spiral.
You put 2 generous handfuls of this pre-cooked pasta. So, where did you learn how to cook?
I learned on YouTube actually.
You learned on
Yeah.
Mahalo YouTube. He
Mahalo
learned to
YouTube.
cook on YouTube. Wow.
Wow.
And then?
And then now I'm selling this one. So this one is my signature food now.
So it's funny. You learned it on YouTube.
Yeah, but now I'm on YouTube.
And now you're on YouTube. How long ago did you learn this on YouTube?
Not long. Maybe 2 days something.
How long ago? 1 year ago? 2 years
No.
ago?
Maybe 8 years ago.
8 years ago,
Yeah.
he learned this on YouTube. 8 years later, he's cooking for YouTube. What a turnaround.
Hey,
Good
I'm
for you.
done.
You're done.
Done.
That's it.
That's it.
How does that work? This is the boy, he's watching us. Mahalo. Very nice. And he said he's done. It took, I didn't even time it, but it takes very fast. What is this? Oh, you can.
So
Can I try? Can I take this?
you want to put it?
Put it in. I want to watch you see. This is cardboard. Lettuce. Not a generous amount of lettuce. Maybe I spoke too soon. And okay, what is this?
This is a butter chicken.
What is it? How did you make it?
Same like pasta.
Same like pasta,
But
all the beginning.
Yes, just put a chicken on.
Instead of pasta, he just threw chicken pieces in it. Are they fresh chicken pieces?
Yes.
You buy them every day?
Yes. Of course I buy it every day.
I'm
from
just
some morning.
asking a question.
I buy it morning before I start a business. So from that one I start doing cutting and then
The whole chicken?
whole chicken.
So there's a different parts of the
Yes.
chicken.
Different.
And no bones. No
No
bones.
bone, it's boneless.
Boneless.
So now voila.
Voila. Can I have some more gravy?
Yes, sir.
And some curry leaves? Okay, YouTube. This, what is this called again? Buttered chicken
Pasta.
boneless buttered chicken pasta, and it took less than 3 minutes to cook. You saw the man cook, and this is, he sells this for how much?
Sell it for 12.
For 12 ringgit, which is $4 American, very, very cheap. You can't get this for $4 American. In the States, Ramsey or somebody will put it in a very, very, very classy dish, and you'll be probably paying $50 American for it. So come here. Come to my friend's food truck. Don't fall down. What is the name of the food truck?
Just come find us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Was Dapur Nom Nom. That's
Spell it.
DAPURNOMNOM.
Dapur Nom Nom on
Dapur Nom
Facebook, Twitter,
And
Instagram, and on YouTube now. Come to Mahalo JC. All the information will be down here. This is Mr. Dapur Nom Nom, and your name again is?
My name is Amran from Dapur Nom Nom. Just subscribe.
So Mahalo YouTube. This is I love you.
This is
I love you too. But this is Mahalo.
Hello.
Thank you very, very much. And this is a signature dish. I'm going to try it, and I'm going to go down on the comment section, and I'm going to write and tell you what I think of it. Thank you so much. Now help me get down okay, okay?
Go.
His thing is broken, so I don't know. I think I have to jump down. You see? Somebody just crashed into his truck or something like that. I hope he rots in hell for that one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And let me see the dish in the light. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It is called this baby. This is this creamy buttered chicken pasta bowl, 12 ringgits. Fried cube chicken with creamy buttered curry leaves, chicken patty served on pasta. This beautiful dish made by this very good looking boy is 12 ringgit. To find him, you go to Dapur NOM and find him all over social media. See, there again, all over social media. Dapur Nom Nom. Behind Dapur Nom Nom is this very beautiful young chef who learned how to cook on YouTube. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Look in the camera. Tell your wife, tell your mother, tell
I
everybody.
love you all, baby.
Very nice. Say Mahalo YouTube. Mahalo YouTube.
I love you too.
Thank you so much. We're going to try that and then I'm going to Thank you so much. I'm going to move on to the last food truck. Thanks for appearing on YouTube. Selamat Hari Raya. Hey, invite everybody to come here.
Come find us, okay?
Where?
Lumpur, Dataran. Every weekend.
Every weekend.
No. 2 times a month.
When?
First week of month and third week of every month.
Okay, and when you're not here, where are you?
Sorry?
When you're not here, where can they find you?
Just follow on social media.
Follow
You can
social
find
media.
us.
Very nice young boy. He's dressed American. See, he doesn't look local, but he is local. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mahalo. And I'm moving on. And this is, I'm so tired, YouTube, it's not funny. I can't find the name of the shop here, and I'm looking. I think it's called Laughing Monkey. Laughing Monkey. This is called Laughing Monkey. It's a food truck that sells hot, it's all drinks. So on this side, it's long black coffee, I think, espresso, single shot, espresso, cappuccino. This beats Starbucks, much cheaper than Starbucks. So if you want your coffee fixed or not coffee fixed, chocolate, cream latte, creamy caramel, iced long grass tea. I don't know what the hell is iced mango tea. Don't know, never tried it. Earl Grey, of course, and Japanese sancha. I've never tried that. I know all about it. They range from hot 8 to 10 ringgit, iced 9 to 10 ringgit on both sides, non-coffee and coffee. And here is beautiful, what's your name?
Casey.
Kathy.
Casey.
Casey, as in Cassandra.
Yes.
Casey. Hi Casey.
Hi.
She belongs to the Kuala Lumpur Food. Oh, this is called the Kuala Lumpur Food Express. Where are you from?
I'm from Klang.
Klang. And is this your food truck?
No.
Not
I'm
your food
just a food truck operator here.
You're just working there. And so is your friend.
Yes.
And that's a beautiful friend there. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, very nice. What's your name? Bonnie.
Bonnie, yes.
Bonnie. So Casey and Bonnie, they look like two movies. They look like a movie. Casey and Bonnie are going to rob you blind. Kidding, it's a movie. It's a movie reference. Don't worry about it. Casey, so what is your most popular thing?
Coffee.
Sorry?
Coffee.
Which coffee?
Probably black coffee, so that people can taste the funk of the coffee.
Long black coffee. That is your famous. What if I don't want coffee and I want something nice and sweet? What?
Non-coffee?
Even with coffee, maybe half coffee or half something. What is it that's nice?
Caramel latte.
Caramel latte. Can you make me one?
Sure.
Okay, I want to watch her make caramel latte, and there she goes. Make a caramel latte.
For the ice?
A little bit of ice. Yes. Okay, tell me what you're doing. Tell me what you're doing, step by step.
Right.
This is coffee beans.
Yeah.
Where's this coffee beans from? Where's this coffee beans from?
Mexican. Mexico.
Mexican. Okay, Mexicana coffee. And you grind the coffee, a whole handful. It's grounded coffee.
Good.
And they put it on the, excuse me for a minute. What is that machine called? What is that machine?
Coffee machine. Pre-packed coffee machine.
Sorry?
Revac coffee machine.
Revac coffee machine. What does that machine do with it? It just it brews the coffee.
Yes.
Okay, she's put a
Coffee
whole...
with high pressure.
Okay, go ahead. That is quite a generous amount of coffee put in there. And then she's going to put it through that machine. And she's going to add, I think it's full cream milk, correct?
Yeah, it's the fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
Yeah, and she's going to froth the milk. Steam the milk.
Oh, she's steaming the milk.
Yes.
So can you tell me step by step what she's doing? She ground the coffee.
Once she grind the coffee.
Mexican coffee.
Yeah, our beans are actually Mexican organic coffee.
Mexican organic coffee.
Yeah.
And then
she grinds it, and then we fill it into a water filter, and then fix it to the coffee machine.
And then?
Whereby the coffee machine will then extract the coffee.
Very well explained.
Yeah, brew it and then extract it out. So what she's going to do is she's going to steam the milk and then make a cup of coffee for you, a caramel latte.
And that's called caramel latte?
Yes.
And how much do you normally sell it for?
For this cup will be 10 ringgit.
For this, that's caramel latte. And it's hot. And why do you pay more for ice? Why do you
pay more
one?
Because it's double shot and also it's a bigger cup.
Oh, so this is caramel latte.
Yeah,
Can you
it's a
open?
bigger one. Then
this is what, 250 mil?
This is 8 ounce.
250 mil?
I think so. 250 or 200.
The only difference that I see between these two good-looking people and the laughing monkey, and if you're going to Starbucks, is there's no flour on the top. But you get two beautiful women, Casey and Bonnie, serving you all the time with laughter and smile, wearing fedoras, you see? Matching but different color fedoras with their food truck stand. So for 10 ringgit, I think, if I'm not mistaken, at Starbucks it's 25 ringgit. Am I right?
Probably, we are not sure. But if you taste it, I think it's pretty good. If you taste it.
Can you taste it? We'll taste it after. I'm going to taste it later and tell you down there whether it's worth the 10 or 11 ringgits that you see here. But I'm going to guess. I'm not a coffee aficionado. I do foods. I don't know much about coffee. They're always coffee, always fresh brewed. I agree because I saw it with my own eyes. And they're both smiling. And this is called caramel latte coffee. And can you cover it now? And so if you are here in the Dataran Merdeka,
Right.
On the first week and third week, that's what everybody's telling me. Am I correct?
Yes.
And then if you're not here, where are you?
We normally only go for events. We will participate in events.
Yes.
Yeah. We don't have a fixed place that we go. So we follow around all the other organizers.
So if I want anybody here in Malaysia wants to find you, Casey, where are they going to find you? How are they going to find you? Advertise yourself.
Instagram. They can follow us through Instagram.
Instagram?
Yes.
Come closer.
Instagram.
And what's your Instagram name?
Laughing Monkey Coffee.
Every Laughing Monkey Coffee. So I guess after you drink a cup of this latte, you're going to be laughing. And if I'm laughing tonight after I drink this, I'll be calling you.
Yes, definitely.
Laughing.
Definitely you will laugh.
You've been very nice. Thank you very much. These are the cameo appearances. So I strongly suggest, as a bloody foreigner here, I strongly suggest if you come to the Merdeka Square on the first weekend and the third weekend of every month, come and check out the Laughing Monkey. Come and check out my beautiful friend Bonnie and the very quiet, dangerous one there called Casey. And come and try long black, espresso, double, single, cappuccino, cafe, caramel latte, or if you're non-coffee favorites, chocolate, green tea latte, milky caramel, all that good stuff. It goes on iced mango. Just check it out. Put this on pause, check it out, and you see you can put this pause and check it out. Eyes are hot. The most expensive, it's 11 ringgit. It's less than $3 American. You cannot get this at Starbucks. No offense, Starbucks. I'm not putting you down, but I will personally Other than the ambience and the beauty of a Starbucks coffee, I will not pay so much money for a cup of coffee. But if you want coffee at a good price, again I repeat, come to the Laughing Monkey food truck. That is my friend Casey. Say mahalo, you two. And that is my friend Bonnie. Where are you from?
Clang.
Klang. Where's your mother?
Clang.
Klang. Look at the camera. Tell your mother in whatever language you want. Even if you speak Japanese, I don't care. That you love her and you miss her.
Mama, I love you.
Very nice. Say mahalo, you two. Thank you. Same to you. Tell your mother any loved ones you have.
Sorry, my mother is not here anymore.
You can still tell her. Your mother is always here. Go ahead.
Hi, Mom. I love you.
Very sweet. Thank you. So invite somebody, one of you, invite people to come here.
Okay.
Come closer, both of you. Invite people to come to the Laughing Monkey and try your stuff.
So, feel free to come and drop by our truck and then taste our coffee. You'll never regret it.
And you will get to meet my two beautiful friends, Casey, I repeat, and my beautiful friend, Bonnie. Laughing Monkey, YouTube. I don't drink coffee, but I'm gonna try this bloody coffee because she made it and she told me about it. So I'm gonna try this coffee and then I'm gonna tell you what it's about. If I end up laughing in the middle of it, if I can't sleep, I'm coming for you.
Okay.
And you. Okay? So say mahalo, YouTube. Mahalo, YouTube. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm going to go on to the next food truck very, very quickly. They're called Mad Truck. And they're called chocolate chip cookie biscuit. Chocolate chip cookie biscuit. There's no one here. And it's chocolate chip biscuit. Actually, I've heard the story about this guy. He actually does cakes. But this is his side business. And he's a lot of cookies. And he's a Malay man. His specialty is spaghetti aglio olio. And come and check him out. He's quite busy in the background. And so I'm going to leave him alone. And then I'm going to move on to the next food truck. The last food truck here, the last one in Dataran, Merdeka, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, is garlic butter rice tapak. I don't know the name of the food truck. Hello, you're on YouTube right now. Say hello, YouTube. Very nice. Say Wala Wala. I think that's your name of your company? Yes. What's your name? Irman. Yes. Irman from Wala Wala. And what do you sell?
Sir, chicken crunch, bawang bomb, sendawan menawai, and we have mari calamari.
You sell calamari. So bawang bomb, don't know, and chicken fried, cheesy fries, chicken crunch, cendawan. What's cendawan?
Cendawan is mushroom.
Oh, mushroom. What's menawan?
Appealing.
Huh?
Appealing. Attractive.
Attractive mushroom. Wow, I got to check that one out. The company is called Wala Wala. To find them, they don't have a phone number. I can advertise for. How do they find you?
Telephone ada. Instagram, telephone, Facebook.
What is it called? It's okay. Google Wala Wala. Find something up. They got fishy fingers, mussel melt, mari calamari. Mari means come, yeah?
Yes.
And prawn pepper. What is your famous dish?
My favorite is sendawan menawai and chicken crunch.
Chicken what?
Chicken crunch.
So he says the famous this one.
Mussel melt.
Pick two for me that you like.
Mussel melt and chicken crunch.
Chicken crunch.
Yes.
Can you make a little bit of each for me?
Alright.
Quickly, can I come in? I want to watch you make it, yeah? I'm coming in. Tapak Urban, oh, it's called Tapak, yeah? Tapak Urban Dining, Street Dining, Preferred Food Truck. 2016, he got an award. I don't know, so, oh, there's another name. The Rice Spot Garlic Butter. There's a phone number here. Is this the phone number? 012-5055-087. The Rice Spot Food Truck. The Rice Spot Food Truck. _ all that stuff with Instagram and Facebook. Check it out. I'll play with it again. Put it on hold, pause it, check it out, call them, and I'm gonna go inside. They have a better way of getting in. I don't have to fall down. And tell me what this is.
This is chicken.
This is chicken.
Yes.
Boneless chicken. And what is this?
Flour.
What kind of flour?
Flour with spicy.
Flour. Spicy. Okay. It's just very straight cut chicken pieces mixed with flour.
Yes.
There's about 6 or 7 pieces, I think.
6 or 7 pieces.
How many pieces of that?
We got 5 pieces.
5 pieces. And what's this?
Like butter. Yeah.
Butter.
Yes.
Okay.
For flour.
Okay. Coated with flour, dipped in butter, recoated again, and then you throw them in this fryer. For how long?
For 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's it.
Yes.
And show me your mushrooms. I'll let you do this first. Hot, steaming hot fryer. I'm scared to pick it up, see? Steaming hot fryer. And then he puts it in there, and it's frying away. And then the chanda one.
The one, for now we don't have chana one first.
There's
We're
no-
already finished.
Finished. The chanda one is finished, the mushroom is finished. So YouTube, what is that?
No, this is for chana one.
This one.
Oh, this prawn.
Can I try a couple? He's going to mix it with corn. I don't know how they're going to taste, but they are. He's added 2 prawns here. How long does this take?
5 minutes.
How long have you worked here?
6 months.
6 months. Where are you from?
Penang.
Penang. Where's your mother and father?
My father is right here. Bangladesh.
Are you a single man?
Yes.
Look in the camera and tell your mother in Malay, I love you, happy Selamat Hari Raya, and all that good stuff.
So we can be outside.
Can. He's going to come out and then talk to me. Who is that?
My work.
Why is she so miserable? Don't worry. Your show. Tell your mother.
Saya mak harap murah rezeki lah bekerja selama ni. Saya
Tell,
mak ni.
tell her you love her.
Yeah, I love her very much.
Very nice. Invite everybody in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, to come to your food truck.
I hope everybody can come to my rice spot and try cenawan all. Yeah.
Thank you. Say mahalo YouTube. Thank you. Say mahalo YouTube. Let me try that, okay? Okay, go back before she gets... I guess she doesn't want to be filmed, correct? She doesn't want. Okay, I'll just wait here. So this is the fishy fingers. That girl is from Sabah, but she doesn't want to be filmed. She's quite unhappy right now. It's Walla Walla, get saucy fish and tartar, and Chapat urban street food. And that food takes about 5 minutes to make, and I'm looking for signs and I can't find any signs again. The only thing I found so far is this one, the rice pot food truck and all that stuff here, and that's all I found. So this is a food truck, and this, the lady inside is getting she's getting really frustrated. I don't know what the story is. What's wrong with her? Okay, just get these digits, okay? So that is the last of the food trucks, and this is the food truck area. So on behalf of Kuala Lumpur Food Truck Fest, there's quite a few people since I started. On behalf of YouTube and all the food trucks that I've met, beautiful surrounding, I'm very tired. Mahalo, JC out.